Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today I am here for class 6 for the subject of the history. So today we will discuss the first chapter of the history book of class 6, and the chapter is about the Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization is one of the oldest civilization of the world. It is also known as Bronze Age. Earliest known urban culture of the subcontinent. It is the first, the earliest culture of the subcontinent at that time. The signs of this civilization are found in Sindh, at Mohenjo-daro and in Punjab, along with river Ravi at Harappa, Sahiwal. About 1500 additional settlements and sign of this civilization has been discovered in Pakistan and western India. इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन जो है ये हमारे पास एक सिविलाइजेशन, कुछ ऐसे लोग गुजर चुके हैं जो काफ़ी डेवलपमेंट उन्होंने हासिल की थी। उन्होंने अपने एरिया को, अपने घरों को काफ़ी सिविलाइज्ड बनाकर रखा हुआ था। द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द पीरियड ऑफ द इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन. There are three main periods of the Indus Valley civilization in which they got development and they got decline. There are, first one was the primary period, which is from 1300 BC to 2500 BC. Then middle period, that is from 2500 to 1700 BC. And the last period is from 1700 to 1300 BC. During the primary period, urban life made a great progress. The art of handicraft flourished. In the middle period, this civilization progressed well. Many new cities and villages were developed. In the end of the third period, the Indus Valley civilization was inclined toward downfall. पहले पीरियड में इन्होंने हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स और इन चीज़ों में डेवलपमेंट हासिल की। सेकंड पीरियड में इन्होंने अपने जो सारे के सारे घर वगैरह है, गांव, टाउन्स, और उनमें जो है इन्होंने डेवलपमेंट हासिल की। और लास्ट पीरियड जो है वो इनका थोड़ा सा ख़त्म होने की सूरत की तरफ आने लगा। नाउ द इम्पॉर्टेंट सिटीज़ ऑफ द इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन. द फर्स्ट वन इज़ मोहनजोदड़ो. मोहनजोदड़ो is the first one city of this civilization. It is an ancient city situated in the district Larkana, Sindh. The city was the most important center of the Indus Valley. Indus River flow on its eastern parts. The sign of the Indus Valley civilization were first discovered in 1922 in Mohenjo-daro. The things which have been found here are the ornaments, clay, bronze, utensils, seals, cart, boats, toys, statues and skeleton of the different animal. जब पहले इसकी खुदाई की गई तो हमारे पास जो है इनके कुछ र्यून्स थे, कुछ जो बकाए जात होते हैं या पुरानी चीज़ें जो होती हैं खुदाई के दौरान इनको मिली, जिनमें से हमारे पास टॉयज़ थे, स्टैच्यूज़ थे, बोट्स थे और डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ द स्केलेटन्स ऑफ एनिमल्स थे. देन along with the precious gems, ostrich shells made ornaments had also been used there. So ये चीज़ें जो थी वो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के लोग इनको यूज़ करते थे. The next one city is Harappa. Now Harappa is the second most important city of the Indus Valley civilization. From here a lot of assets have been discovered of this civilization. Solid clay utensils, seals and system of the measures and weight are included in it. उस टाइम के अगर आप सोचें तो उस टाइम में हमारे पास मेजर ऑफ वेट, जैसे वेट मशीन होती है, वो लोग जो है वो बना चुके थे. द पिक्चर्स ऑफ द एलिफेंट एंड हम्बल्ड बुल आर मोर प्रोमिनेंट. टूल्स वर मेड विद ब्रोंज. वो लोग जो थे वो ब्रोंज भी यूज़ किया करते थे. दैट्स वाई it is also called the Bronze Age of that time. Resemblance has been found in objects which have been found in both cities, because both cities were the part of the Indus Valley civilization. मोहनजोदड़ो एंड हड़प्पा से जो हमें पुरानी चीज़ें मिली थी उनमें सिमिलैरिटीज़ थी. इसका मतलब था कि ये दोनों सिविलाइजेशंस जो थी वो हमारे पास सिमिलर थी. Relation with other civilization. हमारे पास उस टाइम कुछ और भी सिविलाइजेशन थे दुनिया में जो कि डिस्कवर हुए थे, जिसमें हमारे पास इजिप्ट था, मेसोपोटामिया था, दैट इज़ नाउ कॉल्ड इराक, एंड सुमेरिया था. सो the Indus Valley civilization had trade relation with southern Iran, Iraq, Egypt and Persian Gulf. Indus Valley, Dajla, Ferat and Nile Valley are also called cradle of civilization. It had also commercial and religious relation with Sumeria and Babel civilization. During excavation in Sumeria, seals of the Indus Valley utensils and a picture of the humped bull are found in stone bowl. हमारे पास जब सुमेरिया की ये एग्जीक्यूशन हुई, लाइक इसको डिस्कवर किया गया, तो उसमें हमारे पास जो इंडस वैली के जो टेंसिल्स थे या जो स्टेचू ऑफ बुल, लाइक स्केलेटन ऑफ बुल वगैरह थे, वो वहाँ पर मिले थे. इसका मतलब था कि इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के लोग जो थे वो इन जितने भी सिविलाइजेशन थे इनके साथ ट्रेड करते रहते थे. Mesopotamia, Iraq has also a commercial relation with the Indus Valley. Art and handicraft were exchanged between them. Trade had been established under a barter system. Barter system के तहत वो लोग जो थे तो एक दूसरे के साथ तिजारत करते थे. Barter means like the exchange of the goods. Like एक चीज़ के बदले दूसरी चीज़ जब दी जाती है, that's called बार्टर सिस्टम. पहले ज़माने में लाइक पैसे नहीं हुआ करते थे, तो दे यूज टू ट्रेड इन द बार्टर सिस्टम. सो मेसोपोटामिया, इराक में जो था, इराक के साथ ये लोग जो थे एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स किया करते थे और उनका ट्रेड चलता रहता था. द ट्रेड ऑफ द इंडस वैली हैड बीन एक्सटेंडेड अप टू द रिमोट एरिया ऑफ द गैंजेस इन एडिशन टू मेसोपोटामिया. Ganges mean Ganga, that is the name of the river which is now in India. इसी के थ्रू वो उनके साथ जो थी वो तिजारत किया करते थे. Now come to the religious belief of the Indus Valley, कि वहाँ के लोगों का रिलीजन क्या था, वो किस चीज़ पर बिलीव किया करते थे. The religion of the Indus Valley civilization could not be guessed through any composition. उनके बारे में हम इतने श्योरिटी के साथ नहीं कह सकते कि उनका रिलीजन क्या था. However, there have been found the portraits of the gods and mother goddess on stamp which reflect that they used to worship the statue and god. Clay statues were also made for the worshipping purpose. People used to consider the tree of the holy values. Here animals were also worshipped as a custom. So the other topic is about the social system of the Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley system was run under a regular administration. Like all the system of the social, like the Indus Valley civilization were run by the regular administration. It was enforced to keep the system of weight and measurement correct and according to the standard. Sweepers were bound to keep streets and paths neat and clean. जैसे कि आजकल होता है हमारे पास, एज यू कैन सी ऑन द रोड, के हमारे पास स्वीपर्स वगैरह होते हैं जो रोड को साफ़ करते हैं. इसी तरह ये उस ज़माने में भी, उस सिविलाइजेशन में भी, विच इज़ वेरी ओल्ड सिविलाइजेशन, उस टाइम में भी उन्होंने अपॉइंट किए थे कुछ स्वीपर्स वगैरह जो गली और सड़कों को साफ़ रखते थे. The society had been divided into different sections. Town planning provides us uniform information about it. Jobs had been allocated among men and women. Women used to grain wheat, weave cloth and look after the cattle, whereas cultivation, commerce and industries were specified for men. Cotton was cultivated in the Indus Valley civilization. Spindles also have been found in home, which indicate that weaving cloth was also a profession of those people. So अब हमारे पास है script. Script means the writing system, कि वो लिखते और पढ़ते कैसे थे. The people of Indus Valley could read and write. Their mode of writing was very interesting and complicated. A supreme system of writing was conducted in the period which had 400 symbols. Symbols कुछ ऐसे symbols थे हमारे पास, और ये तकरीबन हमारे पास 400 symbols थे. Then come to the agriculture. The soil of Indus Valley was fertile. The dependence of its wealth was upon trade and agriculture. The majority of the Indus Valley civilization consisted of farmers who made the soil fit for cultivation purpose. जैसे कि इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन दैट इज़ नियर टू द रिवर, सो उनका जो सॉइल था वो बहुत ज़्यादा फर्टाइल था एंड मैनी पीपल लाइक बहुत सारे लोग जो थे वहाँ पर एग्रीकल्चर या फार्मर्स जो थे इनका काम करते थे. Then the crops were damaged due to the seasonal rains. People retained the water to make banks on river for cultivation. The signs of crops which have been found from the settlement, it is said on this base that the wheat, millet, barley, vetches, peas, Indian millet, linseeds, mustard seed and cotton was produced. The sign of the date, melon and grape have been found among fruit. Then peaceful society. Indus Valley civilization was a very peaceful society at that time. Few members of the huge weapons have been found during digging of these cities. The ruler had not kept a large army or police. Like उनके साथ बहुत ज़्यादा आर्मी या पुलिस नहीं थी. बहुत कम ऐसे वेपन्स इनको मिले थे कि जो डिगिंग के दौरान इनको मिले थे. इसका मतलब था कि वहाँ पर कोई भी ऐसा सच हमारे पास कोई कंप्लीट आर्मी या पुलिस सिस्टम जो था वो नहीं था. द प्रेजेंस ऑफ बुल. द प्रेजेंस ऑफ बुल. Cattle were the part of their lives. A large number of the skeleton of bull have been found in Indus Valley. It shows that it was a common practice to rear the bulls. जो बुल जो थे हमारे पास इनको बहुत ज़्यादा इनके स्टैचूज़ वगैरह हमें मिले हैं. इसका मतलब है कि वो बुल से बहुत ज़्यादा काम लिया करते थे. Then commercial activities. The trade of agriculture, crops and mineral had been carried among cities and villages of the Indus Valley. Internal trade had been happened by bullocks cart. बुललॉक कार्ट्स मीन्स कि जो बुल के साधनों का कार्ट एक कार्ट होता था और वो उसके ज़रिए जो थे वो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन किया करते थे. Weight and scales of measurement have been found which are made of stone in quadrilateral shape. Then town planning. The most important part, the most important thing about these cities was the town planning. Cities and town had been constructed with great technique and planning. Artisan had known the art of making and baking the bricks. They made the foundation of the houses profound and deep, strong and also paid attention to the exterior beauty. वो जो हाउसेस कंस्ट्रक्ट करते थे वो बहुत खूबसूरत तरीके से करते थे और उसकी ब्यूटी पर वो बहुत ज़्यादा सोचते थे. Houses had been built on the edges of the road of the cities. Baked bricks were used in their construction. Every house had a bathroom which had been made toward outer street. और उनके हाउसेस में वॉशरूम्स भी होते थे और जो कि हमें बताते हैं कि कितने डेवलप थे इस सिविलाइजेशन के लोग. Road had been constructed with such a style that people could easily move along different towns and street. Straight roads were 1 kilometer long and 9 meters wide. Then come to the drainage system. There was an excellent drainage system of the filthy water. Narrow and wide drains were made in proper order for the outlet of the dirty water. Narrow drains had been covered by bricks and wide drain by large marble slabs. The sinking water had been brought together with wide drains. जो ड्रेनेज सिस्टम था उनका गंदे पानी के लिए जो रास्ता उन्होंने बनाया था दैट वाज वेरी लाइक कंस्ट्रक्टेड विद थिंकिंग. उन्होंने उसको कवर भी किया था विद मार्बल स्लैब्स एंड इस तरह उन्होंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा जो थी वो डेवलपमेंट हासिल की थी. द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द डिक्लाइन ऑफ द इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन कि ये हमारे पास डिक्लाइन की तरफ कैसे आई थी और क्यों आई थी. Indus Valley civilization gained a magnificent place by making a progress gradually. Its effects had been implanted upon a vast region, but suddenly it had disappeared in 1500 BC. Its cities had been buried in the earth. Its art, religion and culture were invisible from eyesight. ऐसा टाइम आया कि ये बिल्कुल आंखों से गायब हो गए, बिल्कुल ज़मीन के अंदर जो थे ये बरीड हो गए थे और किसी को नहीं पता चला था जब तक ये डिस्कवर नहीं हुए थे कि एक ऐसी सिविलाइजेशन भी हमारे पास गुजर चुकी है. It is estimated that both internal and external factors were involved in its decline. Some experts think that this civilization had come to an end due to natural calamities like earthquake and floods. अब तक हमें पता नहीं चल सका कि आखिर ये किस वजह से तबाह हो गई थी। कुछ एक्सपर्ट्स का ख्याल है कि ये अर्थक्वेक लाइक नेचुरल हमारे पास जो कुदरती आफात होते हैं उनकी वजह से ख़त्म हुई थी। Some experts think the epidemic diseases played a significant role to undo the Indus Valley civilization. कुछ एक्सपर्ट कहते हैं कि शायद कोई ऐसी बीमारी आ गई होगी कि जिसकी वजह से इंडस वैली हमारे पास ख़त्म हो गई थी। Drought was its major cause according to one opinion, because when river changed their course, then supply of water had become impossible and this region had become barren. कहा जाता है कि मे बी जो इंडस रिवर रावी या इंडस रिवर जो थी उन्होंने अपना रास्ता चेंज कर लिया था, जिसकी वजह से वहाँ पर किल्लत हो गई थी और ये उनके खात्मे का सबब बनी। Well populated city on the bank of the river had been utterly destroyed. Some experts think that the people intensely cultivated the land. They had finished the fertility of the land by cutting the forest. The pastures of animals had come to an end. Some experts considered that the trade had been finished with Mesopotamia and other civilization. A major portion of income could not retain due to this reason. When cities and colonies has been ruined, the people migrated to other places. कुछ लोगों का ख्याल है कि उनका ट्रेड ख़त्म हो गया था और इस वजह से उनके पास वेल्थ के लिए कुछ नहीं था, फिर वो माइग्रेट कर गए थे अदर सिटीज़ या अदर जो थे हमारे पास रीजन्स, वहाँ पर चले गए थे, जिसकी वजह से हमारे पास ये जो सिविलाइजेशन थी वो फिर ख़त्म हो गई। होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड वेल अबाउट द इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन। सो आपको समझ आ गई होगी एंड थैंक यू सो मच। अल्लाह हाफिज़।